We all know Austin traffic can be a nightmare, but now a busy intersection in central Austin could get a lot busier. As KXAN's Amanda Dugan shows us that in the next 5 years, 5 new offices and 3 parking garages are planned.
Those that commute through North Lamar Boulevard and 51st Street have seen the traffic change.
There are a lot of new living developments that have been put around here that we can already see an increase in traffic. It gets pretty clustered.
And the area could get busier with plans to add a $445 million multi-floor state office building and parking complex around the John H. Winters building. The preliminary design shows new office space in 5 buildings and nearly 6,000 parking spaces split up between 3 parking garages. Some feel this could be beneficial, but also add more delay.
It's hard to say just because everything is growing so much, and it's hard to say no, don't put parking, don't make it people have the ability to be accessible.
Along with several new building and parking garages, an elevated walkway is planned to be built across North Lamar Boulevard, connecting those new buildings to the Health and Human Services Commission complex.
Construction will be divided in different stages. The first phase of the project would front North Lamar Boulevard by the Triangle, and the parking garage would be across from the University of Texas intramural fields and be complete by 2020, with the entire project being completed by 2021. Amanda Dugan, KXAN News.
The multi-office level will have a parking complex, as Amanda mentioned. It will add nearly 6,000 parking spaces split between 3 parking garages. This project involves 3 phases. Phase 1 would include adding nearly 2,000 full-time employees and more than 2,000 parking spaces. Phase 2 would add nearly 1,500 full-time employees and more than 2,000 parking spaces. And Phase 3 will add more than 1,000 full-time employees and an extra 1,500 parking spaces. Each phase of this project requests more parking spaces than anticipated full-time employees, but it's not clear if those extra spaces will be open to the public at this time.